Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few weird food hacks from Instagram sent by you all and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to both our channels. Follow us on the Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the next hack, make a hole in a puri. Add boiled and mashed potato, sprinkle some chaat masala over it, and then the hero ingredient. I'm going to pour Mirinda into it. Matlab Mirinda is going to replace the pani puri. And oh my god, the taste was exactly like pani puri. I don't know how, but I guess I'm crazy. So I thought Advait ko bhi try karna chahiye. And even he liked it. And usne bhi yahi bola ki same pani puri lag raha hai. I had many versions of pani puri, but I guess this one is the simplest and very delicious. So definitely give it a try. It was amazing and it was a big success. For the next hack, which is the chocolate vada pav, sounds only cringy. I'm going to apply a nice layer of butter over a pav. Then add chocolate sauce over it. Place one batata vada over it. Drizzle some more chocolate sauce and let's taste it now. The Maharashtrian in me is dreading to try it क्योंकि vada pav is like हमारी जान. So उसके साथ मस्ती नहीं. Anyway, let's give it a try. Also ignore the chocolate जो मेरे मुंह पे लग गया and throughout the video वहीं पे था. अद्वैत ने मेरे को बताया ही नहीं. So tag him in the comments. Now coming to the taste, don't call me crazy but I actually like it. The vada is spicy, okay, and the chocolate here acts like the sweet chutney. So ये तीखा मीठा flavor is really nice and it's going well with each other. मतलब the chocolate is not giving the chocolate flavor but a nice sweetness to the vada pav. I really liked it and it was surprisingly a success. For the next hack, I am going to fry small cubes of one boiled potato until they are golden brown and crispy. Remove it out on a wire rack. Sprinkle some salt and keep it aside. Then on a plate, I placed 4 jalebis. Add the fried aloo over it. Sprinkle some more salt, chaat masala, red chili powder. Drizzle green chutney, meaty chutney, sweet curd. Sprinkle some more chaat masala and red chili powder on the sweet curd. Add nylon save over it, coriander leaves and garnish with pomegranate seeds. And just look at that, looks really beautiful. थोड़ा हिचकिचा रही थी to taste क्योंकि this combination is actually very weird. I really like jalebi with rabdi, but jalebi chaat digest करने में थोड़ा मुश्किल है, but let's try it first. Okay, the taste was very confusing. मतलब end तक मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया कि if I like it or not. Honestly, it wasn't bad. मैंने एक बार रसगुल्ला चाट किया था, that was amazing. This is not that amazing, but nice. इसका आफ्टर टेस्ट बहुत अजीब है. द जलेबी इज गोइंग विद द अदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स. इट्स एडिंग टू अ नाइस क्रंच जो पूरी में होता है. सो दिस जलेबी चाट वाज अ 50-50 फॉर मी. For the next hack, which is the most trending video on Instagram right now, which is the pastry pakoda. Of course, I'm not going to fry the entire pastry क्योंकि ज़्यादा waste नहीं करना है. I just cut it into half and then I'm going to fry that. For the batter, now in a bowl I added 1 cup of gram flour, that is besan. Then I added 1 tablespoon of castor sugar, pinch of salt and 1/4 cup of water. Whisk until there are no lumps. I'm making a sweet batter because I think it's going to act like a pancake batter and it might taste good. थोड़ा spicy batter बनाया तो pastry के साथ तो नहीं जा पाएगा. So let's see what happens. I also added vanilla essence क्योंकि बेसन का ना थोड़ा strong smell होता है. So vanilla essence will cut that off. Then dip the half cut pastry into this batter and coat it अच्छे से. Now deep fry from both the sides. Now carefully let's drop it into hot oil. ओके ऑइंटमेंट डालते वक्त ही द पेस्ट्री मुझसे हाफ हो गई. कोई नहीं, आई एडेड बैटर ओवर इट. मतलब जहां से टूट गया था मैंने उसके ऊपर बैटर डाल दिया, तो अभी इट्स फाइन. इट्स गेटिंग फ्राइड ऑल्सो वेरी वेल. मतलब इसे फ्लोट हो रहे थे थोड़े टाइम बाद. वंस दे आर गोल्डन ब्राउन, लेट्स रिमूव इट. आई एम गोइंग टू कट एंड सी द इनसाइड. ओके, अंदर का क्रीम तो गायब हो चुका है. आई गेस ऑल द केक अब्सॉर्ब द क्रीम. बट जय माता दी बोल के लेट्स टेस्ट इट. स्टार्ट में इट इज टेस्टिंग गुड बिकॉज ऑफ द बैटर, बट अंदर का टेक्सचर, ओ शिट, आई एम सॉरी बट इट इज रियली बैड. डू नॉट ट्राई इट एट ऑल. द टेक्सचर इज एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी अजीब. एकदम खराब हो जाता है ना केक, लाइक इट्स वेरी मशी एंड आई कैन टेस्ट द केक एट ऑल. सो फॉर मी दिस हैक वॉज बस्टेड. For the next hack, ये पहले वाले जैसा ही है, and again it went viral on Instagram, so I had to try it. I'm using the same sweet besan batter. I'm coating 2 gulab jamuns with the batter. Deep fry until they are golden brown. थोड़ा ऊपर से बैटर रह गया था, so I added it, which is fine. Remove it on a wire rack when it's nice and golden brown. अच्छे तो लग रहे, looks very interesting and actually like mini batata vada. Let's cut and see the inside. Looks decent. मतलब गुलाब जामुन लग रहे अंदर से भी. थोड़ा I was scared to eat, but हिम्मत करके I took a big bite and I was legit surprised. It was really nice. Start में because of the outer batter, which is really delicious. मतलब it feels like I'm eating a pancake, and उसका combination with gulab jamun is really really very different and delicious. It's not that great and not too bad. The textures are crispy and soft at the same time, so it was nice, and I'm going to give it a 50-50. For the next hack, I'm going to sprinkle some atta over my working table top. Then here I have a roti ka dough. Roll it a bit flat with a rolling pin. Place chocolate chips in the center. Fold it like you do to make any regular paratha. Dust it with more flour. And now roll it flat again. Make it as thin as possible. मुझे तो रोल करके काफी satisfying लग रहा था. And it looks like a giant cookie to me. Giant से याद आया, I have a lot of giant as well as tiny recipes on the channel. So do check it out and let me know if you want a new series of giant food, tiny food or whatever. Just let me know what you want to see next. Once the paratha was thin enough, I applied butter on a pan, placed the chocolate paratha over it and roast it from both the sides until it's nice and golden brown. Actually they made it into a tandoor, but of course घर पे तो तंदूर available नहीं होगा, that's why I'm roasting it. You can also cook it on open flame, but I guess pan में बहुत easy होगा. Also ये chocolate chips ना मस्त dance कर रहे थे pan पे, you can clearly see that, and it was looking very funny also and satisfying as well. It was actually fun to watch. Once the paratha is cooked from both the sides, take it out on a plate. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream in center. Drizzle chocolate sauce over it. And just look at that, looks very beautiful. Can't wait to take a bite. Also it smells so good. Let's taste it with ice cream of course. स्टार्ट में फट से फ्लेवर तो नहीं आया, बट 2-3 बाइट के बाद आई जस्ट लव्ड इट. इट्स परफेक्टली स्वीट एंड द टेक्सचर तो बहुत मस्त है. द पराठा इज कुक्ड टू परफेक्शन एंड विथ आइसक्रीम इट्स अमेजिंग. चॉकलेट फ्लेवर भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's like a very very crispy chocolate pancake with ice cream. You should definitely give this paratha a try. I'm sure the sweet tooth in you will love it. So this was a big hit. For the next hack, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of hot chocolate powder in a glass. To that, add 300 ml of ganne ka juice, that is sugarcane juice. I had the same gadget जिससे वो mix कर रहा है, but sadly मुझसे टूट गया. So I tried it with a spoon. Spoon से तो हुआ नहीं, so I'm going to try with a hand blender with only 1 attachment. Okay, that blended really well. Let's taste it. I can't taste the chocolate at all. मतलब usually chocolate is like the main flavor and उसका taste is very strong. But here what's happening? Sugarcane juice is इतना strong कि वो hero बन गया and chocolate is nothing here. The sugarcane is completely overpowering the chocolate, but the taste is really nice, very refreshing, and एकदम end में सिर्फ एक छोटा सा hint है chocolate का, which I don't mind. So this hack was a success. For the next hack, which is gulabi chai, I'm making a normal chai first. In a stock pot, I added 1 cup of water, 2 teaspoons sugar, mix, and after it boils, I added 1 teaspoon of the tea powder. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm adding half cup of milk. Let it boil vigorously. Then I added 1 to 2 tablespoons of Roux Afza syrup, and just in minutes पूरा दूध ही फट के पनीर बन गया था and अजीब सा कलर था. So I thought it must be because of the chai and the water combination. So I tried it again, and this time I'm directly making the chai in milk. So in a stock pot I added 1 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon of tea powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, mix and let it boil. Then again I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rose syrup. I thought अभी तो अच्छा कलर आएगा, but yet again दूध फट गया. I don't know how they made it. Roux Afza with cold milk is very common, but with boiled milk with chai, I don't know if it's possible or not. But 2 time try करके भी मुझसे नहीं हो पाया, and I don't want to waste any more food. So for me this hack was busted. Today's shout out goes to Sai Kansha, Namita Vanjiwale, Shriya Vyas, Faiza Arshad, Bhumi, Deshpande Vaibhavi, and Insia Dodia for sending all the hacks. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook @HungerPlans, subscribe to both our channels, and let me know in the comments that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.